What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. So I'm at the workshop, just got here after work. I went over to New Brighton pretty much and picked up another caliper for the S14 because this car came with R33 big brake calipers in the front, but unfortunately you can see where the bleed valve is on this one and where the bleed valve is on this one. These are actually both passenger side calipers, which is no good because you need to have that bleed valve on the top, because if it's on the bottom, then air is going to get trapped in the caliper and you'll never actually be able to bleed the caliper properly. So yeah, had to go and pick up another one from Brighton. So we got that here. So yeah, got a driver's one, which is good. So I can now pull all these brakes down and give them a lick of paint, tidy them up a bit, and then we can get them on the car. But I've got a pretty cool video today, so massive shout out to TSD Performance for giving me a really good deal on a set of coilovers for the S14. Because as you guys know, a while ago when we did that meet at Countdown with Guy Maxwell, one of my front adjustees fell apart on me. Instead of just getting a new front set second hand, I decided to bite the bullet and just buy a brand new set. But thankfully TSD came on and gave me a really good deal on a set of their coilovers. They're super good quality and quite a few people run them. Guy Maxwell, he runs them in Big Bird, and I know Caden from Street Side, he runs them in both of his cars, which is pretty cool. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But first, I've actually got to go and finish off doing a car review video that we started doing on the weekend but couldn't finish up. The main reason why I stopped at the workshop was our fridge is still nicely stocked with Boss coffees. So yeah, quickly just going to go and finish off this car feature video with Mike, and then we'll come back here and unbox the TSD coilovers, give you guys a good view of them, and then we are going to chuck them in the S14 here. But first, ASMR time. So this is a car feature that you guys will see in a couple of weeks' time. Such a clean dancer. Mike doing his magic.
Magic Mike.
Hey, that works.
My other one today I thought of was Play-Doh paparazzi. PP. No, just make sure everything's tight, because shit, it rattles. Have you ever driven a 50-year-old car with no carpet? How it makes them sound.
So if you guys are wondering why these car feature videos all of a sudden have gotten such better in quality, it's due to Mr. Professional over here.
The Play-Doh paparazzi. It's Ba-Bomb. I got Ba-Bomb on my leg. Flatmate did it. I've lived with 3 fucking tattoos over the years.
Instead of them leaving their marks on your walls, it's they leave their mark on you.
Yeah, definitely.
I
have asked. I've asked for it. I was going to Thailand and I was like, at least if they find me, they'll know where I'm from. Like,
how was the ladyboys over there?
Ladyboys, I've seen a plenty, but no, none for this kid. Not that time.
I couldn't even tell them apart from the normal ones.
Well, that's it. Most of them look like you.
I can't tell, is that an insult or a compliment?
Well, that's
So we made it back down to the workshop, and it's time to unbox these coilovers and get them in the car. Oh, what a tease. There's more cardboard. Ooh, that's not a tease though. Whee! How gorgeous do these look? Pause the unboxing section of this video because we're trying to do something pretty cool for TSD. We got Mike here on the camera getting some good shots during the unboxing process. Alright, back to the unboxing. Man, these things look nice. I've never in my life ever bought a brand new set of coilovers before. This is pretty cool. Fuck yeah, these things look sick. Mike's getting some beauty shots. May as well jack this thing up and start taking the old coilovers out. Release bumper. Yeah. now have all of the old coilovers out of the S14. These are the original ones that came in the car. These are the old Cuscos. KTS, I've never actually heard of these ones. These are Tobin's ones that they let me borrow to just get it rolling. See, we've got them side by side with the brand new TSD ones, and obviously these are super tidy and clean because they've never been in a car before. These definitely look super cool, real good quality. And they've also got these, what were we saying? They're like little locking collars.
It's like a locking washer, yeah. It's like a spring washer, so it stops it unwinding itself. My BCs have them as well, but yeah, it's good.
Yeah, so these older coilovers don't have them, so that's it's pretty cool little feature that they have. Got brand new nuts on them as well. I guess it's probably not too much point in trying to match them up with these ones because I'm going to have to adjust all the ride heights anyway, so I may as well just throw them in there. Sound good?
Let's go.
We've actually had a bit of a roller coaster of emotions tonight. So after did the time lapse on taking all the stuff out, Mike wanted to have a quick look at some of the footage that we'd got, so you can do that on the GoPro. And when you tried to do that, none of it would show up.
I couldn't find it, and I thought it was just my dumb ass not knowing how to find it. And then I got you over there and...
Yeah, so I tried to look for it, wasn't there either. And we were both like, what the hell is going on? And thought it had somehow either corrupted or got deleted, but restarted the GoPro and it was there, it was fine. And then before, the GoPro was saying that the SD card was busy.
Yeah, you had like zero minutes of footage left to film or something. And...
Yeah, it was saying it was busy, and then the GoPro's just been doing some weird things tonight, but footage is still there. Hopefully, don't jinx it, but anyway, yeah, we'll get these in, and you're gonna do some cool stuff. Yep.
Mate, what contraptions you got going on here?
Oh yeah, she's filming.
No. No, I am.
Hey?
I am.
Oh, you are?
No.
Piss.
Where's piss, mate?
That's the problem. I don't know where I put my beer. Where the fuck did I put my beer? I'm thirsty. It's thirsty. We're working on these shitty RVs. I didn't finish it and throw it out, did I? Actually, I got a feeling I finished it.
Just grab a fresh one.
No, I finished it and threw it out. That is the TSD Coilovers in. I'm so stoked on these things. Like I said, this is my first ever brand new set of coilovers and they're on my drift car. This car has turned into so much more than I originally had planned. Like, when I say that, I don't mean like it's anything crazy, but my original plan was just to throw this car together and just go out on track. And yeah, that might have been good for maybe seat time purposes and stuff, but this thing has just turned into a way nicer car than I had ever intended it to be off the bat originally. These coilovers just look so good. All the painted stuff, I kind of want to take these hubs off almost and paint them and even paint the wheel wells, but yeah, this thing is turning into a pretty nice car. Again, super pumped for TSD to come on and help me out big time with these coilovers, and if we keep going the way we are, maybe we'll get some arms from them as well, but yeah, we'll see. Massive shout out to Mike for getting the nice B-roll shots of the install and stuff. Obsessive Media on Instagram, link in the description below, go give them a follow. And same with TSD, go show them some love, support the people that support me. So cool, I love it. So obviously we're not going to put the wheels and stuff on because I need to sort all my brakes out. As I did mention at the beginning of the video, I went and picked picked up the caliper that I was missing. What I'm planning to do, probably, maybe actually even tomorrow, I'll probably come here after work and pull all the calipers down, and I've got some paint stripper actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think. Yeah, paint stripper. So I might, yeah, strip the paint off them, and yeah, give them a nice fresh coat of paint, and probably look at putting them on. Because after the brakes, that's everything pretty much done suspension and brake wise. How good?
Nothing.
Now you're going camera shy.
Yeah, nothing. Got nothing.
Alright, it is late. I'm shattered. I'm filming this the night before you guys are watching this. It is like, what? What's the time?
We've still got to grind. We've got like another hour or so yet. So it's 9:45 now.
9:45.
So we're going to be like midnight.
Yeah. So yeah, it's 9:45 now. We're finishing up on the coilovers, and I've got to go home and edit this so you guys can watch this tomorrow night. Let's go get food. I think food sounds good. Before we go home, we're gonna figure out how many click adjustments, I guess you could say, these things have. We could be smart and just probably go on the website, and all this information is probably there, but we're idiots and we're actually just gonna test this out in the real world. Actually, no, this is myth busting. Never mind, we're not idiots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I think it was 32. I think it was 32 because I think accidentally I clicked twice once. Fuck, some mythbusters we are. Well, you're the cameraman, I'm the idiot like actually trying to do this. Sorry TSD, you sponsored the wrong guy.
What are we getting for food?
Makers?
Okay, that was easy.
Right, so it's the next day now. I've quickly come home on my lunch break from work to finish off editing this video. I was editing till about 1:30 this morning and had to call it quits because I had to get up this morning at 5 to go to work. I am a complete zombie at the moment, but doing this for you guys, and so yeah, I hope you enjoy it. But again, big shout out to TSD for giving me a really good deal on these coilovers. If you guys are in the market for some coilovers yourselves, or suspension arms, or a range of other really good products, go give their website a look, see what they got. Anything you want, give me a DM. I can help sort you guys out. And yeah, also big shout out to Mike again for getting the B-roll footage, and pretty much wrap it for this one. Got to quickly finish editing this video so I can get it up tonight for you guys to watch. So yeah, you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.